Welcome to our channel. As we talked about last time about a specific research type, today we're going to take a closer look at analytical research, an important part of your academic journey. Think of how powerful it would be to uncover the hidden patterns in your data, or to turn raw numbers into compelling stories that not only augment your dissertation, but also captivate your audience. Watch as we unravel the strategies to make your analytical research powerful and impactful. Analytical research is like detective work for scholars. It involves scrutinizing information, dissecting data, and piecing together the puzzle of your research question. Unlike descriptive research, which tells us what is happening, analytical research delves into understanding why it's happening and how it can inform your thesis or dissertation. At its core, analytical research seeks to explain patterns, relationships, and trends. It's about asking the right questions and choosing the appropriate methodologies to answer them. Whether you're analyzing literary texts or complex statistical data, the goal is to extract meaningful insights that contribute to your field of study. Your choice of methodology is pivotal. Quantitative methods like surveys and experiments are great for numerical data, allowing you to quantify variables and test hypotheses. Qualitative methods such as interviews and content analysis are ideal for exploring perspectives and deeper insights. Sometimes a mixed method approach can offer the best of both worlds. Gathering data is just the beginning. The real magic happens during analysis. For quantitative data, statistical tools like SPSS or R can help you identify patterns and relationships. Qualitative data requires a keen eye for detail as you code and interpret the narratives and themes. Interpreting your findings is an art. It's not just about what the data shows, but what it means for your research question. Your interpretation should be logical, clear, and directly linked to your hypothesis or research objectives. We hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great writing tips. Going back, the way you present your findings can make a significant difference. Use clear, straightforward language. Visuals like charts and graphs can be powerful tools to illustrate your points. Remember, your goal is to communicate your findings effectively, not just to showcase data. Ethical considerations are paramount. Ensure that your data collection and analysis methods are transparent and ethical. Respect privacy and confidentiality, especially when dealing with sensitive data. Analytical research is not without challenges. Data collection can be time-consuming and analysis can be complex. But with the right strategies and tools, these challenges can be navigated successfully. Analytical research is more than just a requirement for your dissertation. It's a skill that will serve you well in your academic and professional journey. With the right approach, tools, and mindset, you can turn your data into a compelling narrative that not only fulfills academic requirements but also contributes valuable knowledge to your field. As we wrap up, remember that analytical research is your ally in the journey of academic discovery. Have you faced challenges in analytical research? What strategies worked for you? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on academic writing. Your support helps us create content that empowers scholars like you. Thank you for joining us in exploring the dynamic world of analytical research. Stay tuned for more content that will help you navigate your doctoral or PhD program with confidence and skill. Remember, like, share, and subscribe for more expert tips and strategies. See you in the next video, where we continue to demystify the complexities of academic writing.